God, what have I done to deserve this?
Fetch me the holy receipts.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Wait, what?
I'm John Cena! I sleep naked every time, no matter what. Oh, really? It gets kind of awkward sometimes because I have narcolepsy.
Oh, the disease where you fall asleep at random times?
You've been stealing all the chapstick, haven't you? How did you find out it was me?
You want a treat? Yes. You want one? Yes. You want one? Yes.
Annie, are you walking? Are you walking, Annie? Annie, are you walking? Will you tell us that you're walking? Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Your body is an organ case.
Anita, I go to church now and I am in love with Jesus.
Want to see my impression of a British driver?
Alright.
And that's how I met your mother.
Coming down the slide hard, simmer and go. Simmer braces for it. Shot. Save! Oh!
I get no sleep 'cause of you. You're not gonna get no sleep 'cause of me.
I can't do this. I can't be in this place anymore. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't. I don't want to do this anymore.
Next week on Anxiety Factor.
I'm so sorry. Can you just hold on to her for
Oh, I really don't think that I can do this. I'm gonna break it!
Tired of Tupperware? You got that right. Tired of books? No. Tired of sleeping? Leave me alone!
Run.
Kid, you want some blades?
No. Blades are for skating. You dingus. It's kinda snowy.
Thanks, Obama.
Get on the ground!
Hey, I gotta tell you something. Wake up. Wake up, I gotta tell you something.
Scott, have you ever worked with dolphins?
No, I haven't. Now I have.
1, 2, 3, 4. I declare Tom Walk.
You know, it's huge. You want to start playing your best baseball towards the end of May.
Hello, how are you? You assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything you say is